Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to remove the front end clip from a 73 Ford F100. I believe this also works for a 73 to 77, but this is just based off my 73. And to start off, you're going to have to remove the hood, which is just 2 bolts right there and another 2 bolts right there, or you may have 3 on yours, but on mine is just 4 bolts, just so it won't be so heavy when you remove the front end clip. And then from there, just lubricate your other 6 bolts that you have right here, 3 in that side right here in the driver's side, which are this one right here, 3 right here, and in the same in the passenger side. Just lubricate it with some PV plaster or WD-40. And after that, lubricate also your other frame bolt right here. I don't know if you can see it. Sitting right there beside the radiator on the passenger side, and also on the driver's side. It's on either side of the radiator. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this one, but it's right here, hidden right here beside it. And after that, you're just gonna have to go on each side of the fender, and they have a bolt right about here on the bottom of each fender. You're gonna have to remove those 2, and I believe lastly would be this one right here, the one holding this inside of the door. There's another bolt right here on the passenger and driver side, so you're gonna have to remove those 2. And I believe that's it, except I don't know if you're gonna have to remove this one as well, which is another bolt here holding the here on the wheel well inside. I don't know, you're gonna have to remove those, and also for the driver's side. But let me just try to remove the other ones and see if that works, because I don't know if this is gonna be holding it back, which I think no, maybe I will have to remove this one just in case. But yeah, that's gonna be it. And then once everything's taken off, your front clip should come off. So let's get started with that. Also, quick side note, you're also gonna have to remove everything that's bolted onto each fender, which for this one you're gonna have to need a screwdriver just to remove 2 screws on this one, and just here just 1 bolt. And for this other side, I think I just remove the holes and leave this tank right here, and also the clips for each cable. And also I'll probably leave this one on, just disconnect it right here. And the headlights, probably gonna have to remove the wires for them. And the radiator, I was thinking of removing it, but I think it'll be easier if I just remove the bolts. It has 2 bolts on either side, one right here and one over here. Instead of removing this hose right here, the bottom one, and the 2 other ones over here. So I just remove the 4 bolts, take it off, put it on top of a wood, and just remove the front clips. So let's get started again.